Cool. 2 tacos, ground beef, and rice.
Yeah, you got rice and beef, yeah?
Yeah. And then I also got a little cornbread to go with it, if that's all right.
Beautiful.
All right.
I'll be around within 10 minutes or so.
Give me about 5, actually. Okay.
So how hot would you say it's in here?
Right here, it's probably about 90 here. Probably around 100 and something here, but on the table itself should be around 400. I got enough fans in here to blow the air around to give it a little less heat, and then I also keep a lot of the lights off. Can't wait for the summer to be over right now. You know, I get 3 or 4 hours of sleep, so it's almost like being on duty again. I was in the Army. I was with the 564th MP Company during Desert Storm, Desert Defense. Thermometer outside the main base been 120. And even I could feel the sand, how hot the sand was underneath my boots. So when you can feel how hot the sand is under your boots, I would say that's pretty hot.
In here, how hot is it?
At least 95 degrees. Yeah, but we have a lot of windows now.
Yeah. How hot is it over the grill?
When you turn the fry later, it's at least 120 degrees.
Wow.
Yeah. So just a lot of water, and you know, try to get as close to the window as possible. I will. So when you like right here.
What's it say?
To 100 and 150.
Wow.
So what's your strategy for dealing with the heat?
Fans and lots of water. And frozen towels.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And you take a towel, dip it in water, roll it up, put it in the freezer, put it in a shake, put it around your neck. It's cool.
Nice.
I have like 4 of them in